In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Evernote sync seamlessly. If you've been experiencing synchronization issues, don't worry. I'm here to guide you through a simple yet effective solution. Synchronization problems can be quite common in large apps like Evernote, and often these issues can stem from temporary glitches or connectivity problems. Let's dive into the steps you can take to ensure your notes are synced efficiently across all your devices. First, you'll want to log out of your Evernote account. Logging out is a crucial initial step as it effectively resets the session and clears any temporary data that might be causing the sync issues. You can do this by navigating to your account settings within the app. Look for the Log Out button and tap on it. Once you're logged out, double-check that you've completely exited the application. This ensures that no background processes are left running, which could interfere with the solution. The next step involves restarting your device. This might seem straightforward, but it's a vital action that can fix numerous technical hiccups. By shutting down and restarting your device, you're effectively clearing the temporary cache and refreshing the memory, which can often contribute to resolving synchronization errors. Whether you're using a smartphone, tablet, or computer, a simple restart can make a big difference. After your device is back up and running, open the Evernote app again. Here, you'll need to log back into your account. Be sure to enter your credentials correctly to avoid any login errors. After logging in, give your Evernote app a moment to establish a stable connection to the server. This waiting time is necessary as it allows Evernote to reinitialize and begin syncing your notes once again. By following these steps, many common sync issues can be resolved. It's essentially letting Evernote have a fresh start without any leftover glitches carrying over. If you find that this method resolves your issue, it's a good idea to make it a routine whenever you encounter sync problems in the future. However, if you've tried this solution and still experience difficulties, it may be worth exploring other potential fixes such as updating the app or checking your internet connection to ensure it's reliable and strong. I hope this guide has been helpful, and you're now equipped to tackle any Evernote synchronization issues that come your way. Thanks for joining me today, and please feel free to leave comments or questions if you need more assistance. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tips and solutions. Happy note-taking!